Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to postpone a meeting in Outlook. First, locate the meeting you wish to reschedule within your Outlook calendar. Double-click to open the meeting request. Once open, navigate to the Meeting tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. Look for the Move button, which is typically found in the Actions group. Click on Move, and then select the Reschedule option to begin the process of finding a new time. After selecting Reschedule, Outlook will present you with options to choose a new date and time. It is highly recommended to utilize the Scheduling Assistant feature. This tool helps you view attendees' availability, making it easier to find a slot where everyone can attend. Carefully select a new date and a new start time. You can also adjust the meeting's duration, for example, from 30 minutes to 1 hour, if necessary. On the guest checkout screen, you will need to provide a few essential pieces of information. First, enter your shipping address, including your full name and contact details. Next, input your credit or debit card information, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Finally, provide an email address where you will receive your purchase confirmation and receipt. All details are handled with robust security. After sending the update, quickly verify that the meeting now appears correctly at its new time in your calendar. For best practices, always communicate changes proactively and clearly to avoid confusion. If you are scheduling a meeting with participants in different regions, remember to consider their respective time zones. This ensures everyone receives the correct information and can plan accordingly, making your meeting management more efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.